Welcome back to another episode. Alright, so before we go ahead, kick off this video, I want to just say thank you so much. For the last 2 months, I actually got quite a big burst of subscribers. So I just want to take a minute right now and say thank you so much for subscribing. This summer, we have a lot to look forward to. There are going to be a lot of excursions that's going to be happening. So before we start that, I still need to prepare some more things onto the truck. So what I'm going to do in this video is actually do an unboxing for one of the products. And that's going to be for replacing my fog lights. So if you haven't seen the video, I'll put a link down in the description below. Also, I'll put it in the end screen as well, a link to that video of us actually going off-roading, and I got into a really unexpected deep puddle. I actually submerged my front bumper. And with the factory fog lights, if you look right here, there's actually a hole. What that's for is ventilation, just in case if you get any moisture or water inside, you know, over time it can evaporate and go through that hole. So that's good for that. The downside, what happened was, because this fog light submerged into the water, actually filled up with water. I'm gonna eliminate that by installing some pod lights, waterproof pod lights. Let's go ahead and start the video. So what we have here is the AuxBeam 3-inch LED pods. Now what's really cool about these pods are that they're bicolor. So we got white and amber, which is really cool. I'm gonna be using this as my fog lights instead of my factories. In my last wheeling adventure where I actually submerged the whole front end of the bumper into water, the factory lights actually took in water, and that's not good. So these are waterproof, and the best part is they're bicolor. All right, let's open up the box and what's inside. Comes with two 3-inch LED pods. Does not come with this connection right here. So as you can see that there are 3 wires. You got the black for the ground, the white, or sorry, the red for the white light, and the yellow light for the amber light. So I put this in. This is how I'm going to connect it into my vehicle. And then I also added some of that liquid electrical tape around here to seal up the hole. So I did that for 2. But yeah, let's go ahead, get in here, open up and take out these pod lights. All right, so it comes with 2 pod lights, mounting bracket. It does look to be like stainless steel hardware, which is actually really good. I'm actually pleasantly surprised for that. So there's that one. And then here's another one. So I guess one bag is for one pod, the other bag is for the other pod. All right, so there is the first pod taking out. Very nice finish. Very clean. I like it. So you can see the bottom 6 rows, 2, 4, 6, actually 8 rows of LEDs is the white. The top 8 rows are the amber lights. Coming back over here. So how this works is that goes in here, in between the sleeves. Actually, probably best to go the other way. Not bad. Looking forward to installing these. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to get downstairs to the garage. Essentially what I want to do is cut into the factory wiring harness and the factory fog light switch inside the truck. I would like it to operate the white lights. So that's going to be operating the red, and then I'm going to have it grounded. While it's grounded, I'm going to go ahead and add a live wire straight from the battery to the light, going into the amber one, which is this yellow one, and hopefully that this ground is actually grounded to the chassis and it will work. Otherwise, I'm gonna have to find a different way of wiring it. There's the second one. So there's the 2. Really excited for this. But before we go and install it into the truck, let me just quickly hook it up to the battery here, make sure that they work. And if they work, then we'll proceed with the installation. And oh yeah, looks like my daughters are pretty astonished with that. All right, so now I have the wire hooked up to the amber light. So let's go ahead and see how the amber is. Oh yeah, look at that. Very cool. They do work. They are super bright. I'm actually really impressed with them. All right, so that is the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any suggestions, drop your suggestions and your comments down in the comment section below. Let me know what you think. I'm actually really excited to see on how this is actually going to turn out. I really like the idea where you have the choice of between either white or amber lights. Definitely it's going to help out, especially out in the trails with the dust, rain, even snow with those amber lights. And the white lights, for a really dark night, you can just use those ones. Anyways, until the next time, who knows, maybe I'll see you out there.